Hi everyone. I wanted to go over a new product that I just launched recently called the Canabiner Can Carabiner. This carabiner will attach almost any size energy drink or other canned beverage to your bag of choice. Ideal for gym goers, hikers, campers, taking a bag to an event. Take a canned beverage wherever you want to go and attach it wherever you can possibly put a carabiner. I currently have 4 sizes available. The first size is for an 8.4 ounce can, covering your 8.4 ounce cans of Red Bull. Second one is for a 12 ounce can, covering your 12 ounce cans of Red Bull, Celsius, or Alani. Third model is for a 16 ounce can, covers your Monster energy drinks, Amp, Rockstar, Ghost, Bang. The list is pretty long for those. Fourth model is for a malt beverage, and that covers your 24 ounce malt beverages like this 24 ounce twisted tea here. This model actually covers a 24 ounce can, the twist off can of Monster energy drinks too. So now to get into how to work these. They all operate the same way. So first, to take it off, you pry your thumb in between the bottom of the can and the bottom plastic tab. Simple. You just push against the can, pull against the tab, and it's off. To get it on, there's only one way to get it on, just like there's one way to get it off. To get it on, you simply take the top lip of the top of the can, slide it underneath the top plastic tab. And you simply squeeze against the can and the plastic can holder itself until it clips in the bottom. Again, to remove, push and pull on the bottom tab. To put it in, slide the top lip in, squeeze. Simple. And it operates the same way for every single one. 12 ounce can. 12 ounce can, pull on the bottom to get it off, slide it in the top and squeeze to put it on. Same thing with the 16 ounce can. Pry at the bottom, slide in the top, squeeze the can against the holder, it's in. Same thing with the 24 ounce model. Bottom out, top in, squeeze. Simple as that, guys. Same thing for this one. Pull against the bottom, top, goes in like that. Squeeze. It's a little trickier with the bigger versions, but yeah, you get the point. That's how to operate it. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for anyone that purchased one of these. I'll have a link in the description below where to purchase them. I currently just have them available on Amazon. Thank you guys again, and enjoy the rest of your day.